Hello guys, and welcome to Dan the RC Man, the RC Workshop Repair and Service channel. Okay, so those of you that have been supporting the channel ever since we started YouTube, you might recognize this location. This location was where I done my first YouTube video, and you know, it's coming up to 9 months ago now, so it's quite nice. It's nice to be back, really. So we're here today. We're going to use this flat path here, or path, road, whatever you want to call it. We just go use this to break in the new engine on the Trophy Truggy. So we have the Force 32 engine, and then we've got a tuned pipe as well. So we're going to start this up. I've done tank 1, which is just lift it off the ground and just let it idle and do its thing for one whole tank. So now we're just going to go up and down, give it a bit of throttle, just a quarter throttle, something like that, for tank 2. I started tank 2, but there's about half left in there, so we'll finish tank 2 off, and then we'll move on then to tank 3. So just want to say, before I start this nitro up, just want to say a massive thank you to all my subscribers, you know, just for supporting the channel and viewing my videos, liking the videos. So a massive thank you to every single one of you subscribers. You know, I really appreciate you subscribing and watching the content, and I try my best to bring you some good content. So you know, all I can do is try, really. It should be okay then. Okay, so that was more than 5 seconds, so it needs the LSN needle needs leaning out a little bit. So just give it a little bit of throttle. Just up and down. For the rest of the tank. What I normally do is I stop the engine just before it runs out, and then let it cool down for 10-15 minutes. And then we'll move on to tank number 3. Okay guys, once this is done, we'll be back when it's time to do tank 3. Okay guys, we've done tank 2, we're going to move on to tank 3. So we're going to go with half a throttle for a whole tank, just half a throttle, 2 or 3 seconds, hit the brakes, and then keep repeating that. And then we'll move on to the 4th tank. Okay, half a throttle. And then brake. Okay, do it again. Okay guys, so we'll keep on doing this. And then do this for a whole tank, let it cool down, and then we'll move on to tank 4, which is full throttle then. Okay guys. But so far, this is a really sickening engine. Shit. Okay guys, so that is tank 3. Now it's tank 4. Okay guys, tank 4. Here we go. Alright, full throttle this time. Whoa. Okay. Okay, just oh, we've got a stick. Oh my god, guys. Sickening. Ready. So just short bursts, 2 to 3 second bursts of full throttle, and then apply the brakes. Okay, apply the brakes. Do this for a full tank. Okay guys, just done tank 4. We go do while we're doing tank 5, we go tune it up, and then that is the braking complete. Sickening. Tell you something guys, the power in this. Okay guys, so we've run out of time. My battery's just about to run out, so we're almost done with the tuning. Just got to make a few adjustments, and it should be ready for Wednesday then. So we'll check out the performance so far, and then we'll call it a day. Okay, so oh yeah, look at that guys, not bad at all. Okay, so that's the end for today. Time to go home and have some food. So that is the braking done. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. And until next time then, thank you for watching. Goodbye.